Hello, and welcome to Queen's Crafts by Bridget. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're new here or you've been around since the very beginning, I truly appreciate you coming by and spending your time with me. If you're looking for me anywhere else on the internet, you can find me at my Facebook group page. Just a few simple questions and I'll let you write in. I do have to have you answer those questions though, just to make sure that we keep our space bot free. And that is a great place for you to show me what it is you're working on. You can also find me at my email address, which is queenscraftbybridget@yahoo.com, and you can find my bags, my yarn, and other makes that I have available for you to purchase at queenscraftbybridget.com. All this will be linked down in the description box for you and your convenience, so you can reach me whenever you feel you need to. Now, I do not have a cauldron names for you because, well, I'm still in the same clothes. I have just made the winter video for the month of October. If you have not seen that video, please do check my playlist and check that video out because there is a timeline. If you are the winner, I need to hear from you very soon. But I told you that I was working on some Christmas bags and I got them done. So I thought, well, before I go to bed, before I finish off this yarn, let me make a video real quick and show you the bags that I have. Then I'll go take some pictures of them, get them over to my guy Steve over at Harnell Media, and he'll get them added to my website as soon as humanly possible. So I'm sure sometime today, Sunday, they will be out. But if not, for sure by Monday. Steve is very, very quick in getting these things done for me. Now, I do have to put the snaps on this yet, but we have a takeout bag in, there we go. And there's Mother Mary and the baby Jesus. So these are this one here is a little more on the religious side of the Christmas holiday. But I thought it was very, very pretty fabric and I thought someone might like it. So I picked that up. Now these are just the notions pouches and I'm going to fill the bags up with their notions pouches. As we go here, I have to put the strings on yet. But we have this cute little letter to Santa Claus bag. I'm putting that pouch in there. We have an extra large letters to Santa Claus bag. We have Santa Claus and some gingerbread men and some candy canes and of course the letters. And I thought he was a very dapper looking Santa Claus. And look at that bag full of goodies. There we go. Another notions pouch. We also have a medium size letters to Santa Claus bag, or a letter to Santa Claus bag. Now this is the medium size. These are just tote style, no zippers. Oh, there we go. Put that one in there. We have a medium poinsettia tote style bag. Isn't that pretty? Now all of these have red on the inside. We have a medium Grinch bag with his faithful pup. And it says naughty or nice on it. We have a large poinsettia bag with tote style. We have a large Santa Claus bag. Now, I forgot to show you. The only difference is Santa Claus here, instead of having a red inside, he has Santa Claus on both sides of his notions pouch. And this is the large size tote. We have a manger scene in a large size tote. And last but not least, we have the Grinch in a large size tote. Now this is the last I have of Christmas, specific Christmas fabric. I do have many other fabrics, and you're more than welcome to check out what I have available on my website and customize your own bag if you didn't see what you're looking for here today. Until next time, I truly hope that you are crafting your happiness. Please do check out a few of my other videos, and if you already have, we'll talk to you again real soon. Bye for now.